Namaste everybody. So as by now you would have understood, I am not only neurosurgeon, I am yogic neurosurgeon. So before we start neuroscience, we will do a very small yoga practice. Okay. So all of you release whatever baggage you are carrying, external baggage. Internal baggage is also there, that also will remove. First, external baggage you keep it down. Relax yourself. This session is not going to be the regular kind of session. There will be lot of interaction, and you are going to be in the driver's seat soon as the slides will progress. Okay, and you will drive the session. So sit comfortably, relax your body. How? Means when the chair is there, no, you go back and support your hip and the lower back to the lowest part of the support. Okay. Suddenly everybody's height is increased by 4 centimeter. Correct? That angle, inclination. Our spine should not be like leaning tower of Pisa. It should be like mobile tower, which is 90-degree up. Okay. Then relax your legs and relax your hands. Release them and touch your index finger with the thumb, both, and face your palm, that white part of your hand, towards the sky, and slowly you can close your eyes. Okay. Now after closing the eyes, forget all the tensions and worries and just focus only on your breathing. Now slowly try to breathe deeply, as deep as possible. Try to reduce the concentration of oxygen in this room. Deep breathing, slow breathing, and smooth breathing. If you are doing it right, then your abdomen will bulge when you are inhaling, and your abdomen will sink down when you are exhaling. Also, same time, try to observe your shoulders. Try to relax your shoulders. The shoulders might be tired due to holding books, mobiles, bag, and because of abnormal posture, the shoulders might have got slightly jammed. Release your shoulders, release your elbows, and let your body come to a place where minimum amount of muscles are under tension. Don't go to sleep, okay? We have to finish the lecture. And slowly, now try to feel the contact point between index finger and your thumb. Try to press it hard. If you press it hard, you will feel the bone. Correct? There is a bone inside thumb and index finger that you will feel. If you loosen it up, you will just feel the skin. And that fingerprints are there, no, on our hand. You may feel the ridges of those fingerprints. But if you slightly moderately press, then you will feel the flesh of your fingers, and in that flesh you may feel pulsations of your heart. It may not be necessary that you may feel it on the first go, but you may try it. You may try later on also, not a problem. Now if you feel comfortable, if you are okay, then we all will chant 3 times Omkara. There is no compulsion. Those who want to chant, they can chant. Those who don't want, they can just keep quiet, or they can just do humming sound like a bee. Okay? So inhale. 2 more rounds. Now, if you would have observed, there is some physics in this. Biology is also there and physics is also there. Just keep your eyes closed for a while. After just another 2 minutes, I'll make you open. The sound has some effect on our body. It causes vibration of the body. And if you try to feel, you will feel some vibration of the skull as well, especially when you are doing sound, and that sound vibrates the nerves at the base of the skull. Okay, as a neurosurgeon, I do surgeries on those nerves, so, and even small millimeter by millimeter change in those nerves can lead to a lot of pain or paralysis. Okay, so when this vibration happens, it leads to some kind of activity which helps us to calm down. I feel most of you are calmed down by now. So slowly you can release your fingers and slowly you can open your eyes. Okay? So what is neuroscience? Anybody knows what is neuroscience? Anybody can type. What is neuro? Nerves. So here what is there? Brain. Here spinal cord, very good. And outside the spinal cord? Nerves. Okay, very good, excellent. What is learning?
Knowing.
If I remove L, then what is that? To earn, we have to learn. Okay. And if we don't, back. To earn, we have to learn. That driving license also, first what they give? L license. So to earn, before that you have to learn. Okay. That is one thing. Is it the only thing for that we learn? Yes or no? There are some things which we learn do not give us money, correct? So many things. If somebody asks you 2 into 2 is 4, that knowledge, is it going to give you some money? No. Okay. But that concept of doubling will give you idea to earn more money. Okay. Then what is focus? Concentration. So those people who are sitting like this, no, right now, there are many. It is usual because you are not the first people whom I am addressing. No, like this, many lectures I have taken. So those who are like this, they are not focused. Those who are playing with their watch, or those who are moving their fingers, or those who are doing like this, all these things, it indicates that background CPU, no? CPU ಅಲ್ಲಿ background activity ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Same thing. Means what your body is doing, it means that at the same time your mind is also working in the background. Okay. So today I am going to give you a very basic idea of how this body works. Specifically, out of this body, the important part, that is CPU, Central Processing Unit of the body, that is brain. Our body is like a machine. How many of you agree? How many of you agree this is a machine? Nobody? I agree. So after me everybody will agree. So we have to learn this so that we can learn properly. Okay. This lecture may help you to become one of the best students forever. Okay? Depends upon your focus, because if you don't focus, you will not learn. Okay? Next slide. What is this? How many of you have done this? How many of you were responsible for forest fire after this? Nobody. Okay. Have you heard of forest fires in America, in Australia? Okay. Such kind of TT only will lead to forest fires. Have you heard? Anybody knows that news? That somebody had a baby gender reveal Fataka show, and through that in California there was a forest fire. Like, so we should celebrate, but we should celebrate with humility, with understanding about Mother Nature. Okay? So what is there to learn from this? What is happening? What is the scientific thing which is happening here? See, if you are frank, no, this lecture will get over fast and you will have your lunch. Otherwise, it will become very slow. Okay? So speak fast. Okay? Tell, what is happening? What is scientific thing happening in this? Very easy. Speak. One person, one confident person. See, when India wins, how loudly you will shout? That's like that you should shout. Tell. The second fellow. What is your name? Tell. Sunlight is getting concentrated through the magnifying glass and it is getting focused at one point, which will lead to concentration of heat, and then through that it will start burning. Okay, it means that for burning something we need focus. Okay, even if sunlight is there, it will not burn, but when it's focused, it will burn. Okay, so when you focus, your studies will become more intense. Okay, next one. So, how many of you have gone through VET's website, this college's website? How many of you have gone through it? Nobody. I went through because I had to come here, no? So, VET, first grade college in its pursuits and excellence, provides a well-balanced quality education for students in construction of mind. So, they are on their job because they have invited me. It means that they are on their job. I think I am not the only person they invite. They frequently invite, no? You do such kind of activity frequently. Means they are interested in constructing your minds. Okay? Then explores creativity, innovation with multiple perspective, intellectuality, morality. What is morality? Moral value. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೇ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆ. Very good. Spirituality. Spirituality has nothing to do with religion. Okay, please do understand this. As youngsters of 21st century, please do understand that spirituality has nothing to do with your religion. Spirituality is something else. We will not discuss about that, but please keep your minds open so that you can learn. Next, through committed and distinction in teaching and service to the society. Correct? Teaching is a very good service to the society, but teaching things correctly. Recently, one example is moving around in our education industry. What is that? White Hat Junior. How many of you are aware of that? That they had given some crores and crores of rupees package and all this in some bogus advertisement, which did not exist. And as students and parents of your parents also, they will be thinking, no, my child should get best education, best tuition. And in that process, you are hooked like a fish. Okay, that also I will bring. Next one. So, mission. So, mission is also there. Next. To achieve founding objectives of trust, to impart quality education to all streams, all sections of the society by imbibing excellence in every aspect of learning and teaching. Okay. So, you are here to learn and teachers are here to teach. If you are not able to learn properly, then teachers have to also learn how to teach properly. Correct? methods have to change, and we also don't eat the same thing every day. No, we try to change the variety of food we eat. Correct? Same way we have to change the techniques through which we learn. It's not necessary to always put that magnifying glass and then focus all the sunlight. Next slide. Goals and objectives. Click ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಪ್ಪ. Value added education. Okay. Expand awareness to become a wiser, disciplined and accountable citizen. What is your general, how old are you? What is the age of you people? Around 19 and 20, around that. Okay. Whatever you are doing now, okay, when you, after 10-15 years, you will regret if something wrong you are doing. You would have thought, no, if I would have done that time correctly, no, by this age I would have done something more. That 2 into 2 equal to 4 phenomenon, doubling. Whatever you do now, everything will double after 15 years. If you do correct things, it will double. If you do wrong things, it will double. Okay, and you will regret if you are doing wrong things. Okay, expand awareness to become a wiser, disciplined and accountable citizen, to achieve excellence in curricular and co-curricular activities, to provide value-based education in discharging one's social and professional responsibility. What is the course which you are doing? BCA. Okay, computer applications. Okay, so in that also you would have heard some hacker hacked lots, millions and millions of rupees worth Bitcoin and all this, and then he got arrested. Did you hear that 2-3 days back this news had come? He was arrested from Netherlands or something like that, no? Correct, no? So there are no shortcuts to success. Okay, please remember this, and we have to define what success actually is. Okay, meanwhile I may not be addressing these things directly, but when you are going through the slides, you may get the ting moment. Okay, so keep your mind open. Next, what is this? One person, one confident girl's side this time. Stand up and tell ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ. National, very good. What is written there? Small. Satyam eva jayate. Do you know from where this wording has been taken? From which Upanishad? Anybody knows? Nobody knows? Okay, find out. If you find out, my email ID was given. You can give the answer. Who is this person? Anybody knows this person? Who is this person? You know or you don't know? Don't know. Please go and see. I will give you the name. He was the person who recommended this Satyam Eva Jayate as the words for our national emblem. And he recommended this word to be uttered again and again in the court of law. Correct? So this person's name is Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. Okay? Fine. Next one. So what does it mean? What is this? Rainbow. So what is the meaning of rainbow now? Physics. Tell. One person from boys side this time. Tell appa, means see, this is what is life. Whatever you read, you write in the exams, that is not life. Your confidence is most important thing. When the light passes through, please, very good. Okay, refraction of light, dispersion of light, scattering of light. Basically, this same light which is not visible, light is not visible, light makes things visible. Correct? That light, when passes through water drops, it creates rainbow. What does it mean? Sometimes beautiful things can be created when we are not really concentrating. This is exactly opposite of what is that magnifying glass phenomenon. Correct? If you focus too much, you will burn yourself. Correct? And if you relax, now slowly I am opening your minds. Correct? Through this you are not getting too much of loaded information, correct? You are getting scattered information, something you are getting, but at the end of this lecture you will be a little bit more knowledgeable. Okay, so next one. So what exactly is happening when you are watching these slides, when you are listening to the lecture and all these things? This is our brain, okay? And in that brain, you see there inside, when I open this, I do surgeries of the brain. So when I open, there is no color like this, okay? There is no purple, there is no blue and all, okay? Many of you might be non-vegetarians and you would have seen the brain also, okay? Brain curry somebody would have eaten also. So it is not like that, okay? But for understanding purposes, when we are creating computer graphics, at that time we will create like this for you to understand, okay? So if you see, there are some purple areas, okay? That is the default network. So those who are just sitting here, but their mind is in Jayanagar or in Banshankari, so their default network is going. But those who are putting concentration right now, listening and trying to interpret and all these things, their blue color, that sky blue color areas are activated. Okay? If you are interested, you can later on go and see in detail all these slides also. Okay? But for right now, just understand this much. The different areas work at different types of activity. Okay? Next one. What is this? Krishna. Everybody knows. What is he doing? Is he concentrating or is he not concentrating? He is concentrating. His hand is properly concentrating to remove the maximum amount of butter. Okay? But at the same time, he is looking somewhere that somebody is coming and I cannot. So multitasking is possible. Okay? Next one. So when we are silent, means we are daydreaming, mind wandering, and thinking all possible sorts of nonsense, then default mode network, that is red color. Okay, I think I can walk and I can talk, not a problem. Okay. So here you can see this default network. Okay, you can see here these areas of the brain are activated. It means that it is a collective activity. It is not like single point, one point. No. In computer and all, we know that this chip, if we insert there, that it will work. But in brain, it is not like that. Then suddenly, when we start switching from daydreaming to activity, some other areas will be activated. At that time, our brain will prepare for the activity. Okay? And then finally, when we engage into activity of thinking and maintaining attention, like this right now, listening to what I am saying and then trying to interpret it, these areas of the brain, they start working. Okay? The biggest problem is when we are switching. When we are switching at that time, we may get lost. Anybody has any idea that how many thoughts we get in a day? Approximately. Just think about yourself only, you think. How many things you think in a day? Give yourself a try. Give some random number. Huh? No end. There is a possibility that we can think 70,000 thoughts. How many? 70,000. How many seconds are there in the day? How many hours are there? How many minutes in an hour? 24 into 60, how many minutes? 1440. 1440 multiplied by 60. How many? Calculator really, sir. 86,400. Okay, so we have 86,400 seconds in a day, and we can waste it by thinking 70,000 different thoughts. Okay, so it is very difficult to hold on. Every second, every almost 1.5 seconds, we can get distracted. Okay, fine. Next one. So I gave you distraction. One Krishna I showed, no? Now you see, Krishna is getting that butter from cows or buffalo or anything. So I was just thinking at that time, and then I got idea of a buffalo. I just randomly put that, just to make you give you an idea that what can happen when we are thinking. At the time of thinking about Krishna, I was thinking about buffalo also. You got the point? This is what is our mind. This is what is our mind. Crazy, totally crazy. We all are crazy. Only thing is, some people express that craze, some people don't. Okay? So if you see this buffalo, then I gave some meditation to this buffalo. Means I meditated on this buffalo. What we have to do? Is it a normal buffalo? Have you seen this kind of buffalo regularly? No. Okay. So this is some kind of world record holding buffalo, giving maximum amount of milk like that. Okay. And see how muscular it is, how nice, beautiful style of the horn. Have you seen that? No. So there are so many things about this buffalo, and these kind of buffaloes are found in Haryana and Punjab. Okay, that's why they are leading in production of milk and milk related products. Okay, even Gujarat also is there, like that. Next. So once again coming back, because we have to focus on what exactly brain is doing. Distracted with a buffalo, then coming back. Okay. So these are the areas of brain. These are the names of these areas are like prefrontal cortex, then posterior cingulate cortex, and all these things. AI means not artificial intelligence. Okay, it is anterior insula. Okay, that this area, and then anterior cingulate gyrus. This means this one here in this region, and then when we are exogenously driven, cognitively demanding activity like remembering something and trying to make a project out of whatever homework has been given to you, or trying to thinking seriously about your life, what I have to do exactly in life, all that time executive network will work, and then these areas of the brain will be activated. Okay, next, and all are interrelated. Your favorite sport, how many of you play football? On the ground or on the mobile? That is also important. Now there are so many champions, world record holders in what is that game? PUBG. So this one. What is your observation about it? Now I will take a pause. I am slightly tired, so you have to. Somebody has to come and explain. Hold the mic and come. Somebody. Who raised the hand for football? You raised, no? You raised. You raised. Come. Come, nothing will happen. Come. No punishment. Come. Come. No means what? Nothing. You have to just explain what is there in this photo. That's all. Any girl had raised the photo hand, no? Yelema? Astena. Sir, by mistake it happened. Miss call. Howda? Hey, tell ba, don't do like this. I need your feedback. Without your feedback, it's difficult to progress. Tell. Goalkeeper has stopped the ball. For doing that, where is the action happening? Here, 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 everywhere. Everywhere it is happening, no? Then only it will happen. And first thing which he noticed was through his eyes. What he did, he was watching the ball. Second thing, I will tell you what was happening in the background. There were some this side people supporters. They were giving him cuss words, bad words. They were speaking. You know, no, in football such kind of things happen. Correct? So they were doing all these things. If he focuses on what others are telling, will he be able to do this beautiful jump? No. What will happen? Correct? What happens to you when you are studying? Somebody gives message. Somebody spots this Facebook notification or something, or some other. Oh no! I was supposed to buy that jewelry that Jainagar I had seen there. Over. Boys will tell, I want to buy that Reebok shoes. Over. Finished. The mind will start wandering. 70,000 opportunities for mind to wander. Okay. But when Do you know how much footballers earn? You know, no? They earn in millions of euros and millions of dollars. Do you know that? But for that, do they just come, put that green color beautiful dress and start running? Is it like that? What is there? What happens? Practice. Yes, to practice ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. For 90 minutes of game, how much of practice they do? Days, months. They have to be very, very competitive. They have to win the competitions, then only they will be selected. Okay? And for that, consistency is the key. One time you do like this and 100 times you don't do, then what will happen? Will you get selected? No sir, on that day I did sir. Will it work? No, it will not work. Okay? Next. So what we need, remember this word. After 10-15 years, maybe you may remember this word again. What we need is awareness is there, but we need meta-awareness. What is meta-awareness? See, there will be some people complaining that my home is on the main road, there is a lot of sound, I don't have enough amount of resources, I don't have this, I don't have that. They tell no. And that is why I am not able to study, that is why I am not able to get proper marks. Correct? What is happening? Am I responsible for whatever sound is coming? No. Okay. So all these things are there. But those who want to succeed, they only see that ball. They don't listen to what other people are talking in the behind the back. They don't see what other things are happening, what referee is doing, what other their player is doing. They only focus on their own work. They don't go towards others. They don't complain. If you want to become meta-aware, what do you have to do? What do you have to do? Do not complain. Stop complaining. Start focusing. Okay? Next one. So metacognition. Now meta-awareness, metacognition. You have to think about your thinking. Why? We discuss 70,000 opportunities to get distracted. So every time you are getting distracted, what do you have to do? You have to bring yourself back. For that, you will need something. Okay? You have to think, you have to notice, you have to wonder, you have to see and you have to feel. Okay? For that, I will tell you what you need. Next one. For that, you need what? Emotional hook. Correct? We are all emotionally hooked in one or other ways. Okay? And the stronger our emotional hook, the better the results are. But now, which hook we are choosing? Are we choosing the hook of PUBG or we are choosing the hook of PhD? Real PhD, not online game. There may be a PhD game also, I don't know. Okay. So, here, how this emotional hook, how this opportunity of 70,000 distractions is used by advertising companies. Are you aware of this? That advertising companies, they enjoy our distractions. They enjoy our insecurities. Now somebody will be slightly shorter, somebody will be taller, somebody will be thinner, somebody will be bodybuilder. So those who are thin, for them, protein powder. Those who are short, for that, these kind of health drinks. Those who have a darker skin, you know, Fair and Lovely. Correct? Now we are becoming conscious. After they looted us for millions and millions of dollars, now we are becoming conscious and now we are putting petitions that this is discrimination, this is this, this is that. But for us, there are different kinds of emotional hooks also, including our language, correct? Including our caste, including our creed, including our religion. Beyond all these things, we actually are human beings, correct? And when we see, that we are getting emotionally hooked, at that point we have to understand that this hook has to be removed. Otherwise, we will not be able to tap the maximum potential out of our existence, whatever we are. Do you think we are all lucky? Don't you think we are all lucky? More luckier than other animals? Yes? Do other animals have mobiles? Do they have the opportunity to enjoy reading, enjoy learning, enjoy discussing like this? Do you think such kind of lectures might be going on in Bannerghatta National Park? Huh? No, whatever is coming in my mind, I am just speaking. I did not prepare this kind of jokes, okay? It's just coming. Whatever is there, I am speaking. So, give yourself that rainbow effect. Rainbow effect for the good, not for the. Okay? Next. So, you know this. I don't want to discuss too much about it. Learning. Learning is one active and second one is passive. What is active? See, today's lecture, is it active learning or passive learning? No. You people did not call me. These people called me and they made you sit here. Okay. So, actually whatever learning happened, it happened for me. That was active learning. I learned a lot out of this lecture. Why? Because I had to prepare this lecture. Maximum benefit from this lecture is going to go to me. Okay. But it is my prime responsibility that I have to transmit the same thing to you. Okay. And now, here comes your opportunity to become active. So, when you have been passively brought here, now it is your time to become active and learn actively out of whatever is coming to you. Okay? Agreed? Are you enjoying this or? Uta. Yavaga sigutte. No? Next. So, we have to clarify that emotional hook we talked about, no? What is the intention which we have? What is the intention which we have for all these things? Means whatever we are learning, why we are learning? Why I have to learn? Why whatever I have to learn, why I am learning? We have to come to that point. If we do not come to that point, we will not know why we are doing. And we will just like other animals, no? They don't know, correct? They find food, they eat, they sleep, correct? Apart from that, what they do? Are we doing the same thing? That question which it should come to us. Whenever, every day morning, that question should come to us. Are we behaving like just animals or are we doing something more than that? Okay, that serious thinking, that serious intention should come to the day. Another thing, some sad examples are also there in like whatever I have seen in my life. We don't know whether the person we met in the morning, are we going to meet the same person in the evening? Do you agree? You agree? I have lost, in my school I have lost my best friend. At that time I came to know one very, very important aspect of life. That is intention. Intention of living life to the fullest. Does not mean that we enjoy and we start doing finding liquor shops and smoking and all these things. No, it's not about that. Living life to the fullest means trying to understand life to the fullest. Because this opportunity is only given to us, not to other animals. Agreed? Okay. So that intention should come to the life. Next. So once more. See, these things, no? Whenever some people are using, no, more, faster, lesser, mine is better than yours and this and that and all, you remember this. It means that it is emotional hook which is not good for ourselves. Okay? Next one. So now once again I will need this thing. Your support. But you people are not opening up, okay? There are some 7th, 8th standard kids also have given, they were responding better than you. Things we do, examples you give, okay? Useful things and fun. What are the fun, useful things you know? Acha, fun, useless things we know. Wasting time on online games. Correct? It is fun but useless. Correct? Useless as well as boring. Sitting on a bus stop. Waiting for anything. Correct? Then useful but boring. Listening to this lecture. Correct? Fun as well as useful. Sports up to one level. if means there are some things which may happen in the sports and then it may decrease the utility of that. Okay, next one. Always remember your focus is your what is this? Star Wars. Okay, always remember your focus determines your reality. Okay, that in Star Wars also it is there. If you would have focused at that time. Next. From here I will take you slightly deeper into brain. Okay, what is your average weight? 60 kg, 70 kg. Okay, 2% of the body weight is brain. It means how much? 2% of 70 kg, how much? 1400 grams, approximately 1400 grams. I am not a math student, many of you might be. Okay, no problem. So then 15% of the cardiac output, what does it mean? How much of blood our heart pumps every minute? How many times it beats heart? 72. Okay, fine, very good. So how much of blood is it pumping? Anybody knows? Anybody is nobody? It pumps 5 liters of blood every minute. 5 liters. Now 1.5 kg is receiving 15% of the cardiac output. Is it correct? If it is 2% of the body weight, it should receive 2% of the blood circulation. Correct, alva? Cardiac output. But it is receiving 15%. Next is, it is consuming 20% of oxygen. This thing here, it's consuming 20% and it is consuming 1/4 of glucose which we are eating. Isn't it interesting? Why? Why it is doing so? Why that much of importance not given to liver? Why not to kidney? Why to brain? Do you know if we connect a bulb to the brain, a 70-watt bulb can lighten up? Do you know that? That much of electrical activity is going on in the brain. Okay? It means that even slightest of the problem in heart, even slightest of the problem in oxygen, means in the lungs, and even slightest of the problem in glucose related activity, it can lead to problems in our thinking capacity. So we need optimum amount of glucose, optimum amount of oxygen and optimum amount of activity of the heart for us to function better. This is a machine, remember. We need good quality diesel and petrol, that is glucose. Engine has to be good. Engine, in the engine only, no? Diesel and petrol will burn. Actually it will burn with the help of oxygen. It will create carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and all other gases, correct? And engine is this. Heart is what? Heart is engine. Okay? And main thing which is that computer, central processing unit is our brain. And that is where all the energy is going. Okay? Next. So for that, we should remember that we should not waste our brain's function. Okay? That is why we have to do what? Right thing at the right time. What is the right thing to do at right time? Waking up, sleeping, eating at right time. All these things are very, very important. But at the same time, if it is a wrong time, still you have to do the right thing. What is the right thing to do? Most right thing to do at wrong time? Holding your thoughts. Okay, next. Wrong time means if somebody is picking up a fight with you, you can fight, not a problem. But whether that fight is useful or not, that you have to decide. Okay. Somebody will tell, okay, chalo come, we will go for a party. Whether that party is going to help you in the exams or not, that you have to decide. Okay. So here now I will come to what exactly is happening inside the brain. Okay. Memory. You all are concerned with memory, correct? It is very easy to expand the memory of laptop, expand the memory of mobile, correct? Very easy. Put one micro SD card or put one USB drive, finished. Do we have such kind of sockets? Anybody is having it? No? Okay. So, memory, facts and events. I gave you initially some facts like Satyam Eva Jayate, National MBEL and Madan Mohan Malviya. Then we remember events, like I had to remember this, that today 23rd of January 2021 I have to come here at VET First Degree College. This is event. Then skill. What is my skill? My skill is to speak. My skill is to address people. Okay, that is my side skill. My main skill is surgery, doing brain surgery and spine surgeries. Okay. Priming. Priming means what? Anybody knows the meaning of priming? See, if something is going to happen, sometimes you will come to know, no? Suppose here that fellow was sitting, no? He, 2 or 3 times the camera went down like this. So I was like, why? Because if it is bending like that, it means that it can fall. So that event is actually priming me to assume that this will fall. Like that, if same way there are so many things which people do, they prime us. Example I will give you, Janata Curfew, COVID-19. On 22nd of March, all we doctors, we knew that this is not going to be for one day. But as public, you were told that it will be only for one day. Okay, that is called as priming. That made you happy, okay, till 5 o'clock in the evening we will stay at home and it will be all fine later. Okay, so that is called as priming. Then there is something called as simple classical conditioning. If somebody will ring the bell right now, what does it give you? Okay, lecture is over, correct? So that is called as simple classical conditioning. That thing they had done on dogs, Russian scientists had done on dogs. What they did is, they gave food to the dog, at the same time they were ringing the bell. Now dogs, they will salivate to the food. Even we also salivate to the food, correct? Now after that what they did is, they stopped giving food. Only they start ringing the bell. Still the dogs were drooling, salivating. So these are the examples of simple classical conditioning. We are also made to do that. Think over it. You will come to know. If somebody speaks something, if some politician speaks something, if some leader speaks something, we have the tendency. We are emotionally very, in a very deep manner, we are associated with cricket. How many of you love cricket? How many of you watch cricket? Correct? Many of you. So much. How many of you have Dream 11 app in your mobile? Controversial. Okay. So, see that conditioning, no, it helps people to earn money or earn power over general public. Conditioning. Okay, remember this and think over it. Give yourself an independent thought. I don't want to give more examples. Then there is non-associative learning. What is non-associative? Means learning is happening, but it is beyond the topic. Okay, here we are speaking about learning and focus and neuroscience and all these things. But many of you might learn something out of what is happening today. Okay, not necessarily the facts or the events, but something absolutely different. Some of you may think of doing something in the terms of, I just spoke, no, like a joke I spoke, that how to insert memory. Many of you are computer application experts. You may develop something which is, able to connect the brain to the external drive. Possible, correct alva? But you have to pick that up and you have to develop that intention in your life. Next one. So what is the enemy of focus? Distraction alla. Overstimulation. You get distracted, no problem. But if you are overstimulated, your brain will become exhausted. And today is the era, 21st century, we are all overstimulated. Everywhere you go, there is advertisement. Anywhere you, app also you open, advertisement. Any social media app also, advertisement. Something or the other thing will be there. There is no way to decrease all these things. We are overstimulated. We have to For that, one thing you do, give yourself a pause or a break from your mobile. That is the best thing to do. Use your mobile only for few hours. Give yourself time that okay, now I will go online and then I will cut off. After 1 hour I will cut off, like that. Okay, next. So just this is what actually happens. Yes, no, never, maybe, lost, certainly, I am stuck. We all think like that, no? Yes or no? Then, because of that, in exams, for all of you, what do? You misread the question. When you are out, you will tell, out of 100, I will get 95. Okay, like that you will tell. Results come 65. Why? Misreading the question. Losing the sense of time. Wasting of time. Sleep pattern. Another very, very important thing, sleep pattern. And then overthinking about past and future. Many of us go into that, no? Past. We think too much about future. Okay, we should avoid that. Okay, next. Okay. So here, now I am summarizing in short that lots of distractions are there, lots of things are there, but we have to regularize our life. And for regularizing our life, we have yoga. Anybody knows Ashtanga Yoga? Anybody? No. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi. Out of this, you know only these two, correct? Asana and Pranayam. That is not yoga. That is just one way of doing yoga. There are many things. I will come to that next. So all of us want this only, no, in life. Yes or no? Able to do free hand shopping, lot of cash, nice Ferrari, correct? Life is set, and a big bungalow, penthouse with swimming pool, correct? Is that life? Is that life? Yes or no? That is also life, but it may be too much of taxing. Who is this person? Wait. Who is this person? Anybody knows this person? If somebody tells this person's name, no, then means yes. Do you know his name? Okay. Yes. Harvard University, you know? How many of you know Harvard University? Yeah. Harvard University professor he was. Okay. Next. I will tell his name. Before that I will. Do you know this person? Who is this person? Ayyo, RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan. Your notes you open, how many money you have, no? His signature might be there. Okay. Raghuram Rajan. He was his student. Raghuram Rajan was his student. His name is Mr. Alok Sagar. If he wants, he can earn millions and millions of dollars. He was Harvard professor and he left all these things and now he is taking care of tribal areas in Madhya Pradesh. It's all about what you want, what is the intention in your life. Okay? It's extremely important. Now also I am getting goosebumps when I think about him. His name is Alok Sagar. Okay, so we have variety of people enterprising like this and then totally dedicated to the cause like that. He is riding a bicycle. Do you know the name of that bicycle? Have you ever ridden? Anybody has ridden this kind of bicycle? Yes. Okay. Very good. Next. So all these things, from where all these things come from? Okay. Next. I'll just pass through this thing. Next. Okay. You know now the brain I have given you some idea, no? Some amount you have understood. This is the most important area from where we become wise. And from here we become wild. Okay? Next one. So learning, you remember, that is the currency of knowledge. Okay, and knowledge will make you more currency. Okay, next one. I already have explained this one. Next. So when you want to do something, praxis is a scientific technical term for becoming an expert. So you should develop some theory, you should read some theory, you should do some reflection. Okay, and then through that you should do action. So now today I have given you theory. To do it practically, you reflect, keep on reflecting, and then do the action. Then there will be use of this lecture. Otherwise, the only person who got maximum benefit out of this lecture will be me. I wish many of you get benefit out of this lecture. Next one. So, for students, in our Sanskrit, there is a saying that Kaga Cheshta Bako Dhyanam Shvana Nidra Tathaiva Cha Swalpa Hari Gruhatyagi Vidyarthinaha Pancha Lakshana. 5 kinds of Kaga Cheshta. Kaga means what? Crow. Okay. Crow will, you will see that crow will be keeping on holding on to the food. It will not leave the food. Correct? Next. Bako Dhyanam. Bako means swan. Swan will be focusing on the fish which is coming to the shore. Pick it up immediately. Okay. Next one. Shvana Nidra. How do dogs sleep? Do dogs sleep deeply or shallow sleep? Shallow. Nowadays, the dogs which live in luxury apartments and bungalows, you know them. Okay. They also have obesity, hypertension, and diabetes along with their owners. Okay. So don't worry about that. Swalpahari. That is why Vidyarthi should be Swalpahari. Swalpahari means eating less. Less pizza, less burger, less cold drinks, less fast food. Okay. Next one. Gruhatyagi means do not get attached to your parents too much. Listen to your parents, but do not get attached. Do not depend on your parents. If you depend on your parents, you will not be able to grow in life. Okay. Next. So that is the Panchalakshana. Next one. So basically, it was a combination of 3 slokas. I was showing this one. Initial one says that for a lion to feed himself, the deer will not come and enter into lion's mouth. Will it do? No. Lion will have to go and hunt. So for that, if we want to do something in life, we will have to chase our dreams. Like just like lion chasing the deer. Okay. Next one. So in Bhagavad Gita also, repeatedly Arjuna was confused and he was asking Krishna that mind is very chanchal, too much of distraction, what to do. So in short, Krishna told Abhyasa and Vairagya. Abhyasa means practice, practice, practice. And then Vairagya means detachment, non-attachment to the result. Because result is not in our hands. Correct? Agreed? Is it in our hands? No. That is why there is something more than us. Okay? Next. Similarly, it was written in one more scripture called as Patanjali Yoga Sutras, that is Abhyasa Vairagyabhyam Tannirodha. Means with that only, with the practice and with non-attachment, we will be able to stop the distractions of mind. Okay, next one. I'm just finishing, okay, don't worry. 2.73 times. I was talking about 2 into 2, no? Okay, let us see that. What is that? This is 2.73 times. Okay. Who is this person? You might not be knowing. I also did not know. But just for example, I have taken. His name is Andrew Huberman. And he speaks about hack your behavior. Hack your behavior. Hack for what? For good. To progress in life. Okay. He is 46 years old. How many years old? 46. Bunny. Do you know this Tata? This Tata you know? No? What is the, how old he might be? $123 years. Okay, he is 123 years. This photo is I think in Dubai or somewhere. So he is 2.73 times older than this fellow. And almost, if you see, both are looking same age only. Correct alva? That is the power of yoga. This Tata has been practicing yoga since that time, and then he is Swalpahari. He does not eat whatever comes next. So yoga is not only just like standing on one leg, it is about yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan, samadhi. Next one. I do not want to go into the details of all these things because of lack of time, but yama means no harming, ahimsa, satya means speaking truth, asteya means taking responsibility, and then brahmacharya means, brahmacharya is not about just only the intimate behavior which we talk about. Brahmacharya is about thinking higher. Okay, thinking higher. It is not about just physical continence. Aparigraha means becoming simple. If you think, no, I want to have this flashy car, I want to wear this branded stuff and all these things, basically you are that fish which is emotionally hooked by the companies. Okay, remember this. Shaucha, clarity, purity. Santosha means content. Tapas means discipline. Regular practice comes under tapas. Okay. Swadhyaya means self-study. See, these are not Sanskrit words. You don't take it in a religion manner. Okay. These are the words for hacking your behavior. Same content is there on his book. Okay, I read. Okay. So Ishvara Pranidhana. Ishvara Pranidhana does not mean that you surrender to God as a deity or any place. It is about finding that supreme consciousness, finding that, the thing which is not seen, which does not have any name, which does not have any dimension. That thing you find and try to surrender to that, so that you are not bothered or anxious about the results. But yes, for getting good results, you have to do abhyasa. Okay, that always will be there. Next one. Otherwise, you will just surrender and then no studies. Coming to sun. Acha, this final, okay, this. How many of you have seen birds and their behavior? How many of you have observed birds' behavior very deeply? Do you agree that birds awaken themselves before sunrise and start flying towards west? And before sunset, they come back to their place and they sleep? Or do they start Netflix and chill? No, we will go for one marathon series we will watch. What and all series are there. So birds don't have mobile, they don't have television, they don't have subscriptions and all these things, they don't have PUBG. So they just go and sleep. And they once again wake up and all these things. So basically, it is the eye which gives us the idea about sunlight and sunrise and sunset. Through that we will get, okay, it's becoming dim. So automatically there is one hormone which gets secreted. That hormone's name is melatonin. I would recommend you to go into the detail of this through one of my lecture, which is named as Can Lack of Sleep Cause Cancer? It's a very serious lecture, 1 hour 16 minutes on my channel. If you are interested, like that there are many lectures like this, but this is a crazy hormone. Even celebrities take this hormone. Do you know that? Why? Why celebrities will take any tablet? You just randomly you tell. Imagination. Stress, one. What celebrities are very mad about? Their looks. They want to look young. So basically melatonin is anti-aging hormone. I am almost double your age, but I might be looking as young as you, most probably. Correct, alva? So next. So for that, in this corona times, we started this Brahma Muhurat Yoga Challenge. I think Sunita ji mentioned it, that we are waking up at 4:30 to 5:30 in the morning, and we are discussing about Bhagavad Gita, we are discussing about asana, pranayam, and we are doing mudras. This is all scientific. It does not have any kind of religious angle. I feel that whatever our ancestors were also doing, they were not having religion in their mind. They were having how to evolve and how to improve our existence. That was their intention. And we should also have that intention in our mind. Next one. So basically, We should not be like a dead Shava. We should try to become Shiva. Shiva means not that. No, Shiva means the one who is completely calm, cool, and non-attached. Then from Pashu to Pashupati. Pashu means animal. From animalistic, we should become the owner of the animals. The owner of the animals, they use them properly, no? Correct? Nara to Narayana. Nara means just like animal. Nara and Nari, correct? But Narayana means executing properly. The brain has to work properly. Okay, next one. So, where is she? Is she there? No. Who is she? Huh? Huh? Principal ma'am. Okay. Have you seen her photo in the website? No. Yes or no? Only that much you saw. Goals, objective, mission, all these things you did not see. What principal is telling, we have to see. Okay. So anyhow, you know this. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Here comes WET First Grade College supporting the students to achieve anything and everything so that they can become valued citizens of India. I will take just one step further, that we become valued human beings. That is the most important thing. Okay, India is also one thing, but beyond that also we should not means identify ourselves lesser. We can identify ourselves more also. Okay, next one. So this is my handwriting. How is it? Nice, no? So no, this is to motivate all of you, no, not self-praising like this, but this is to motivate you. Why? These are the 26 characters which we should have so that we will become better human beings. One is Abhaya. Abhaya means fearlessness. It does not mean that outside, okay, sir told become fearless, come, we will have a fight. No, not that fearlessness. Purity of mind. At the mind level, we should become pure. We should try. See, impurities will invariably arise. All of us struggle. Okay, all of us struggle in holding our minds. Even I also struggle. For that, we should, if we have some material to hold on to, then we will hold. Otherwise, we will not hold. So we should develop tendency to develop purity of mind. Steady knowledge. Gnana Yoga Vyavasthiti means it's not just some fancy Sanskrit word. We should keep on acquiring knowledge. Today, you came to know that so many things were so obvious in front of your eyes, but you were not giving so much of attention to it. It's not only attention, intention is also required. Correct? So, attention and intention will make you steady in knowledge. Dhanam, charity. Charity is not only giving some money, it's about giving your time, it's about giving your knowledge, it's about giving your physical power also, means Shramadana. Okay, so not only money, even you can donate food also. Okay, then control of senses, Dhamma. See, our senses, no, they get attracted towards many things: eyes, ears, tongue, skin, and the smell. We are all obsessed with all these things because that is our animal nature, but we should try to control that. Then sacrifice. Yagna means, yagna is not that putting all this homa and all these things. No, yagna means it is sacrifice in the form of our deeds, okay, and thoughts. Swadhyaya is self-study. Always try to do self-study. Austerity means practice, okay. Practice with conviction. Straightforwardness, arjava. If I try to just, okay, my slides are over, I will go. Or else, if I think that, okay, this much I have to speak and then I will not speak, then the message will not be conveyed. Okay, for that we need to be straightforward. Non-violence, truthfulness, ahimsa, satya, akrodha, tyaga, shanti, apaishunam. Restraint from fault finding. We should not find faults in others. The only person we should find fault is ourselves. Okay, compassion, daya. We should have compassion. Many times what happens is we go on the road, somebody falls down, hey, we will laugh. Okay, he fell down. Don't do that. Instead of that, if that happens, if you think that it was a silly thing and you laugh at that, it means that you are not emotionally mature. If somebody falls down and you go and help that person, that is called as daya. It is not just some Sanskrit word. It has to come into action. Okay? Aluluktvam, no crookedness. We should not try to fool others. We should not try to fool others. Okay? Mardavam, softness. Softness is also important. Gentleness. Modesty means no to too much of pride. Do you know who I am? I am minister's son, I am minister's nephew. So it means Mardavam is not there. Okay? Then Achapalam, absence of anxiety and futile projects. So many of the projects, like simple example I'll give you, games. You feel I will be the highest scorer in the game. Is it really going to give you something? No. So that is the thing, absence of futile projects. Teja means knowledge into practice. Kshama means you should be ready to forgive others. Okay? And then Dhruti means patience. Shaucha means purity. Adroha means no to fight with ego. And Na Atimanita means no to self-importance. We develop all these things. We think that I am a big person. But that example, no, that Alok Sagar, that Tata on cycle going to the tribe, he lost completely. He thought that I don't want to give self-importance. So he is enjoying himself in that tribal village, tribal area in Madhya Pradesh. And he's helping people there. Seriously, he's helping people there. Okay. So last is Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Not just a Sanskrit shloka. The meaning of it is let everybody become Sukhi means happy. If I am happy and most of the people around me are not happy, what they will do? They will snatch my happiness. I will give you one example. Suppose I am living in a area where most of the people are very less richer than me. I am richest person in that. I buy a BMW, even though I don't have a parking space. Bracket Bangalore conditions. Okay. And I buy BMW. I think that now people will respect me more. Next day morning, I come, I see 20 scratches on my BMW. That is the love and respect people gave me for buying BMW. So happiness is not in buying BMW. Happiness is sharing your worth, not only net worth in terms of money, but also your knowledge, and help people to grow together. That is what is happiness. Otherwise, we have all the things to chase in the life. All kinds of materialistic things. Okay, next. So always remember, this is a complex of body, mind and intellect. Body is there, mind is there, and above that, there is intellect. There is intelligence. All of us are intelligent. Remember this. All of us are intelligent. Only thing is the software is not yet installed. The installation file is there, but file is not yet installed. So start installing that file. Okay, next one. So conclusion is, moral is more important than memory, position and money. If position and money are there, moral is not there, then abuse begins. That's what we see in the society. And then finally, if moral is there, with dedicated efforts, definitely money and position will also come. Do you agree to that?
Yes.
Mugitu.
Sir, it was indeed a very knowledgeable session. I think many would have got benefited by this session. I really wonder, I really thank Innovate Club members for initiating and conducting such a program to our young students who would have lost their mind or to get the control over their mind after attending such a wonderful, knowledgeable session, I can say. So with this, VT First Aid College thanks all the Innovate members, and especially our today's resource person, Dr.
Mayur.
Mayur Vinay for such a knowledgeable sharing experience to our students. I thank each one of you and all the members of Innovate for initiating this program and making it a successful hearing. And I thank all my colleagues, my dear students, for patient listening. Thank you.